Namaste student. Last video we learnt about a Scratch interface. Today we are going to learn about Scratch blocks and their instructions. Before that there was a small activity for you. See this image carefully. In this there was a two sprite. One is Angry Bird and another one is Pig. You have to help the angry bird to catch the pig by using four directions. What is the first step? The angry bird wants to come down. You can write the instruction like move down. So this is the first instruction. Second step is move forward. And your third step is move up. Excellent children. In the same manner, we are going to give the instruction to the particular sprite in Scratch program. Now, we can enter into this concept. For this concept, first you have to select a new sprite from the new sprite icon. You are having two steps for adding a new sprite. First step is click paintbrush for adding a new sprite. Otherwise, click a new sprite icon from the existing list. So you are having two steps for adding a new sprite. Now you are going to give the instruction to the particular sprite. In Scratch program you are having 10 blocks. They are motion block, looks, sound, paint, data, event, control, sensing, operator and more blocks. All the related instructions are grouped together in a block. You can find the various types of instruction in a block palette. Use drag the instruction from the block palette and drop the script area to write the program. Your first block name is motion block. If you select this block, then all the movement related instruction appears the list when we selected the motion block. So the motion block has the instruction to make the sprite move, such as the number of steps to take and the direction of motions. You are having first instruction, move 10 step. This instruction is used to move a certain number of steps. Second instruction is point in direction. This is used to set the direction of the current sprite. That means if you select 90° means the sprite will move in right side. Minus 90° means the sprite will move left side. 0 means up and 180 means down. So this is the motion block palette. You are having move 10 steps and point in direction 90°. You can choose your degrees in the drop down. Let me click pen and see what happened. Your next block name is pen block. Here pen block has instruction that provide the trail of the sprite to change the color of the trail and so on. Your first instruction is pen down. Instruction is put down sprite's pen so that the sprite will draw as it moves. That means the pen will leave a trail as soon as the sprite moves. Your second instruction is set pen color to. It is used to choose a color to get eyedropper by clicking in square. Use the eyedropper to click on the color you want. The color will appear in the square. By picking the color also change the pen shade. Your third instruction is set pen size to. This instruction is used to set pen's thickness. Now let us try the sound block instruction. This block has instruction to make the sprite speak, then you can add musical note and so on. Adding sound to the script. You are having three steps, that is click the sound tab. Second step is click the speaker icon and choose a sound from library. Third one is select a sound from the sound library. Your fourth block is looks block. The looks block is used to change the appearance of the sprite when can click the costume. You are having two steps. Your first step is click costume tab to view the list of the costume of the selected sprite. Second step is click paint brush to paint a new costume, or to select the same sprite in different costume, click choose a new sprite icon to select a costume from the available list. Next is open a folder to select a costume of your choice. Fourth step is select the required costume, and final is select the costume will be added to the existing list. So the looks block is used to change the costume. You can use switch costume to select the costume from the drop down list or next costume command. I hope you can clear with this concept, children. Thank you.